Eden's land, on my way where the soul never dies. The darkest night will turn to day where the soul never dies. And you'll see there'll be no sad farewell, there'll be no tear-dimmed eyes, where all is peace and joy and love, and the soul of man never dies. There's roses blooming there for me where the soul never dies, and I will spend eternity